If you're having fun with these negative temperature weather and your heater is running, and running some more, but you're maintaining, let's say, 70 degrees in the house, it's doing everything it can and it is running just fine. You can call for service, but other than maybe a coil cleaning or a filter replacement, there may be absolutely nothing that can be done to help the furnace perform better. Nothing. Your heat loss is matching what it can do. Done. That the 2 points have met for the structure in the furnace. It won't get any better until the outside temperature improves. If you've got it set to 70, and let's say it's maintaining 68 in the house, filter change, coil cleaning, something, but if it's not going below, then you've got a slightly undersized heater that is doing the best it can, and there may be nothing that can be done to help improve it other than make sure vents are open, all your supply register, the dampers are open, close off your curtains, put some plastic on your windows, and improve the home performance with insulation. If your furnace is running and it's blowing cold air, like you feel the air is cold, not cool but cold, you probably have a problem. If your thermostat is, let's say, 70 and it's 58 in the house, call for service. You probably have a problem or a grossly undersized furnace, or you have some maintenance that really needs to be performed to make it work better. These negative temperatures are no joke, and this is going to put all furnaces to a test. That's all I've been running all day, is just my heater doesn't work, but it's doing the best it can. If your apartment is nothing but walls or nothing but big windows, that's just giant heat loss all the way around right there. Especially if it's older windows. Ooh, if you got single pane metal frame windows, ooh, good luck. And if you're on electric heat, you better start setting some money aside for them big giant $500-600 bills that are going to be coming in your direction. Hope you enjoyed.